This is Jen from Scrapping Posh. I am here with my new junk journal, and I think I did this one kind of sort of right. This isn't the first version of this, but it's the best version so far. I did a rounded spine, and this is a soft suede-like cover. But it's a hard back, and it's got somewhat of a curved spine. I have the cheesecloth in here, strings sticking out. I got my inspiration from Nik the Book Smith. If you haven't watched her videos, go watch them. They're amazing. I love making these things. New passion, like I needed another hobby, right? Okay, so this is about a 6x9. I think it's actually more like a 5 3/4 by 8 3/4 with about a 2 1/4 inch spine. And this was a book that I made my daughter for her 1-year anniversary, going out for 1 year. So I used pattern paper on the inside, of course fabric on the outside, and there's a small bag here. And there's some stitching on the tag. It says life is a journey, and then I put a little message on the back. And then I used the dictionary cutout page definition for the word love. And then May 21st was their date. And this is a picture from May 21st of 2017. So it's not perfect, but I'm working on it. So this is just my third attempt, and the first one doesn't even count. So, and I left spots for her to put more pictures just in case I miss some, and to write in, or both of them to write in. And I dated every page or every picture that I could find a date for. So there's still plenty of stuff to add stuff, and the pictures are in chronological order. There's just some blank tags to write on. She put the kitty cat clip up there in the top. There's a little copper Tim Holtz, or no, that's a Paper Studio clip. There's some washi tape, and I kind of left it plain because I thought maybe she would embellish it. I did use some burlap ribbon, and this is a Tim Holtz cut apart, and a tag with another one of those buttons. And I printed all the photos out in matte sepia, but they're Walmart photos, so it's not like a real matte finish. It still has a glare to it. So I did use some little black paper clips. Getting stuck in the strings. Oops, I think I went way forward. Okay, here we go. I used some little black paper clips with just some gold ribbon tied to them. Her and her friends. There's a little glassine bag. I did some spray, Glimmer Mist spray on here. Piece of vellum. And some lace. And every page is either of him or them. So I have a charm here that has an arrow and a heart. That other vellum. Some satin ribbon that I coffee stained. There's a little bag. Some lace that I stained, and a music note charm. Or that's a, I can't remember what they call it, treble clef. And there's sewing. These are the stitches. I just left the strings. We can always put something on there. We can put beads on there, or little punches. Some, I think these are 7 Gypsies little mats. the smaller paper clips, more washi tape. This thing here, I don't know if you guys can see it. This was a perler bead project that we did. It was like 3 foot by 4 foot or 3 foot by 2.5 foot. It was 24,000 perler beads. It was a lot. I helped. Some half pages, really cute with pictures on them. If she doesn't want to add anything to this book, then I can decorate it for her too. Of course, we have a Harry Potter page in there. Just one. This one I couldn't find the date for the picture, and I knew it wasn't back here where it was saved because this is winter, or this is October, and that was definitely summertime. Still some tuck spots. Homecoming dance, Halloween, music recitals. Here's a pocket. It's got a blank tag. Another dictionary. It says duet. Some friends. This one's just on here with that paper clip. I think there's some adhesive on there. I'll wipe that off. Okay. The old music book page. Sorry, here out of frame. Christmas. So this goes to exactly from May to May. There's a book page. May 2017 to May 21st, 2018. That picture I didn't have, so I printed it off at home. And then the ones in the back, she had a outing. This is Tim Holtz's tickets. She had an outing after I had printed everything. So I printed those at home on my Canon selfie. So these are deep fried Oreos. They look disgusting. Crash car, cute puppy. So these happened after I printed the pictures, so they're just filtered with photo grid and then printed on my Canon selfie. Which the Canon selfie, I couldn't get to round the corners on the Canon selfie, so. And then this policy envelope in the back, and I just got some extra tags in there, but she can put whatever she wants in there. And then the very last page I reserved for their picture for today, which is the 21st, and the dictionary definition here for anniversary. So that is my junk journal. I would say it's successful. It has a little ribbon here for like a bookmark. And there you are. I hope you enjoyed. And as soon as I get better at it, I'll do a tutorial. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.